Good morning, students, teachers, well-wishers. Today we are in crisis, coronavirus, COVID-19. It is spread worldwide. So be better to stay at home. If we come out to buy any essential commodities, wear the masks and make the proper distance, use the sanitization, and again we come back to home we use the sanitizer and wash legs, hands, and clean our clothes, etc. So be better to stay at home. Hands, wash hands frequently. It is better to control the coronavirus. Now, I introduce myself. I am Tulasayachari, teacher in English, Jilla Parishad High School, Shakapur, Mandal Addakul, District Mahabubnagar. I thank to Minister of the state and the district collector and the DO madam to give an opportunity to this class. I also thanks to ANA local channel management. In the previous class, now I remove my masks because we must use the masks. So I am in the studio. So now, for the purpose of class, I remove my mask, put here. In the previous class, we had discussed major discourse, news report, minor discourse, poster in the second paper. Today, we discuss other major discourse, conversation, and in the minor, if we will have the time, take the another one in the minor discourses. Today, I have taken the major discourse in the first paper, that is conversation. It carries 10 marks. So that is why we can take so many precautions, so many stages, write in a proper way. Definitely we should get 10 marks, at least 9.5 marks. But we can follow the instructions. Conversation, I have taken the discourse in the major, in the first paper, conversation. Conversation nu Telugulo manamu సంభాషణలు ముచ్చట్లు అంటాం. సంభాషణలు లేదా ముచ్చట్లు అంటాం. దీన్నే మనం ఇంటరాక్షన్ అని కూడా అనొచ్చు. ఒకరినొకరితో మనం పాలు పంచుకుంటే దాన్ని ఇంటరాక్షన్ అంటాం. One express a few views. Other one receives and express his views. It's called interaction. So talking with other people, dealing with other people. Talking with other people means, suppose A, for example, A talks with B. B talks with A. Also dealing with other people. Suppose we are going to market. The unknown person is there, a stranger. We can also talk with him. Dealing with other people also. But sometimes a beautiful conversation is also there. Even unknown persons, we meet with unknown persons, that means strangers. Sometimes we express our views in the systematic way. That is also a good conversation with other people. Generally, conversation is person to person. That means A to B, B to A. I have taken an example, A and B. Suppose A is a person, B is a person. A talks with B, B talks with A. Sometimes not between two, even among three or more than three. For example, we can talk on phone person to person. Suppose I am talking on phone with my friend. Sometimes we have a conference. Two more also participating in the conference. That is also a conversation. Beautiful conversation sometimes, even in the conference. So that is a telephonic conversation. On the phone we can express our views. That is called telephonic conversation or person to person. So conversation, it is creative expression. Creativity means Prujanatmakata. Every profession has creative artistic skills. Every profession. A potter, he has a good export to make the pots. That is a creativity. Even in other professions also, some people have artistic skills, art and culture. Everywhere you see the skills, you will show the skills. Even in teaching also, a creativity is there. Even children also are playing a game. There is a creativity. That is why conversation means creative expression. Expression means talking. Creativity means something new. Creativity means something new. New ideas inculcate. So express and exchange of individual. Suppose A, he expresses some words and his own ideas expresses through talking with other people. A expresses his views or ideas with B. After conversation, we have enjoyed the conversation. Sometimes we say, I have an interesting conversation with my friend Ramchandra, etc. Likewise. Communication generally appears as a part of other discourses like stories, dramas, letter writing, etc. All the discourses like stories, dramas, letter writing, conversation is also a creative expression. It is also a discourse like others, stories, dramas, letter writing, etc. And communication, every discourse has some communication. Ye discourse aina manaku oka samacharan istundi, oka message istundi, oka information untundi. Ikkada conversation lo kuda manam maatladetuvanti iddaru vyaktuలు మాట్లాడుతుంటే తప్పకుండా ఒక ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఉంటుంది. ఏదైతే క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్తాడో ఆ క్వశ్చన్ బట్టి ఒక ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ మనం తయారు చేయాలన్నమాట. లెటర్ కూడా అంతే, స్టోరీస్ అంతే, డ్రామాస్ అంతే. Casual talk between two persons. Casual talk, generally conversation is going between two persons. I have taken A and B. Or among three, sometimes three persons are also involving in conversation. Or more than three also. Among three or more than three, they are also participating in conversation. They are also expressing their views. So that is also a conversation. And conversation must be used by a polite way of speaking. Every conversation has some polite way of expression. అంటే మర్యాదపూర్వకంగా చెప్పే ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ చాలా చక్కగా మర్యాదగా ఉండాలి. పొలైట్ వేలో ఉండాలి ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ వన్ బై వన్. సమ్టైమ్స్ ఇంపొలైట్నెస్ ఈజ్ ఎక్స్క్యూజబుల్. ఒక్కొక్కసారి యాక్చువల్లీ పొలైట్నెస్ మస్ట్ బి ఫాలోడ్ ఇన్ ద కన్వర్జేషన్, బట్ సమ్టైమ్స్ impoliteness is excusable. Only excusable, that is when the situation demands. అక్కడున్న సిచ్యువేషన్ బట్టి, దాని డిమాండ్ బట్టి మనం ఇంపొలైట్నెస్ ఉన్నటువంటి ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్ వాడతాం, బట్ వీ కెనాట్ యూజ్ ఇన్ ద జనరల్ కన్వర్జేషన్స్. Now, conversation, it's a nature conversation, should be developed in the 3 stages. So, any conversation, generally it has 3 stages. Every discourse has some indicators. Among the discourses, conversation has also some stages, indicators. First one is introduction. Introduction. Every conversation has beginning. Introduction means beginning. Why we begin the conversation. Second one is the topic. That means actual conversation. The context should become in the topic. What the context asking in the question. That should come in the topic's actual conversation. Third stage, leave taking means departing. At the time of closing of the conversation, leave taking. That means lastly we express a few phrases, that is leave taking. First introduction, first stage or first indicator of the conversation. It is the initiation for a new conversation. Means beginning, how we shall begin the conversation. That means the conversation is a new one. How we shall begin the conversation. We use a few, we express a few words that should come in the introduction. That is one should start with generally conversation start with greetings each other. Suppose I have taken A and B example, for example. A greets B, B greets A. That is the common natural conversation, that is beginning. Greeting each other is it should there compulsory. Generally we greet. Suppose A, good morning. A says good morning, namaste. Good morning, namaste. This is formal way of greeting. Namaste it is Indian English, okay. But in India, we use namaste also. Greet with namaste, that means Indian English. This is formal way of expression. And hello, hi, excuse me. These expressions are in the informal way. Sometimes we use hello, hi Ramesh, excuse me madam. This is the informal way of greeting. Next, after good morning or hello, generally A asks, how are you? How about you? Kshema samacharalu adugutam manam, welfare of our both A and B. How are you? How about you? Next, how do you do? How do you do? The answer will come from other side. I am fine. Thank you. What a pleasant surprise. It's a pleasant to meet. Sometimes happy meeting. Happy. Sometimes our meeting, even with a stranger also. Sometimes after the conversation with a stranger in the market or in the hotel or some wherever, but we get happy moments. It's a pleasant to meet, we say. Or sometimes we say to sorry, pardon me, meet my friend. Likewise, we greet in the first stage of the conversation. That means introduction. Among introduction, second stage of topic, third of leave taking. Among them, some grammatical tips are also covered. We should cover the grammatical tips. Grammatical things or tips. What the grammar items will be covered in the conversation. Tenses. Means suppose generally we express our views in the present tense. Sometimes we express our ideas or questions in the past tense. Suppose we hope in the future, we will use the future tense also. That is why tenses should be come in the conversation. Next, subject-verb agreement. In the grammatical points, we should think about the subject-verb agreement. Subject-verb agreement means, suppose subject is singular, we use the singular verb. Suppose the subject is plural, we use the verb in a plural verb. That is why, suppose one of my friends is. Generally friends, one of my friends. Friends another మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, plural అనుకొని ఆర్ పెడతాం. But there is a verb. We should, the verb is. One of my friends is. One of my colleagues is. One of my family members is. Likewise, this is the subject verb agreement. We should follow this one also. Next, sentences. Very, very important item. Grammatical item. Sentences. Sentences generally assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, exclamatory sentence. Generally assertive sentences. Most of the conversations, assertive sentences will come. We express assertive sentences. Means assertive or statement or declarative. All are same. All are the same. Assertive or statement, suppose. I am a teacher. This is the studio. Modi is the Prime Minister of India. KCR is the Chief Minister of Telangana. I am not a young man in the negative sense. So these are all the sentences in assertive or statement. Sometimes in the conversation we ask interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentence means asking questions. Either it is double H question or yes no question. Suppose we use double H. When did you come out? Where did you go yesterday? Why are you coming here? What's your name? What is your father? Likewise, in interrogative we use double H questions. And yes no questions sometimes. Can you able to this exam? Can you able to write this exam? Can you able to do this thing? Are you going to Hyderabad in the corona period? Are you violate the restrictions? Likewise in the interrogative sentences. Next, imperative. We use sometimes imperative. Imperative means command in orders request. Please give me your pen. Shut up your mouth. Attack them. Suppose commander in the army, commander says, attack them, shoot them. Likewise, all commander. But here it is conversation. We use generally assertive sentence, simple assertive sentences or statement sentence. Next, interrogative sentence. Sometimes imperative sentence. Even we wish good morning is a optative sentence. God bless you. Suppose leave taking at the time of this conversation, at the time of leave taking, we use God bless you. Suppose the elder one bless the younger one. God bless you. This is optative sentence. Exclamatory sentence is also comes in the conversation sometimes. Oh, what a beautiful idea. Oh, what an excellent idea you have given. Sometimes this also. So likewise, the grammatical tips or items cover in this conversation. Now, contractions. Suppose we sometimes contractions are short forms. I don't have any idea. Simply we say do not. Do not, instead of do not, we use don't. I don't know. I have it. I will not come to school. Instead of will not, we use won't. These are all necessary to use in the conversations. contractions. Don't. Example, I have given examples only. I have given don't. Only three items are given. Don't, have, won't. Likewise, shan't, didn't, can't. Likewise. Next, discourse marks in the grammatical tips. Discourse marks also there. I mean, sometimes in the conversation, I mean, I do it. I mean, I do it. You know everything. You know this problem. Oh, actually, this is the thing. Really, it's do. Really, I do it. Likewise, discourse marks also come in this conversation. Next, punctuation marks. We know full stop, comma, colon, semicolon, exclamation mark, inverted commas, all are come under punctuation marks. Here, suppose we write conversation A, B, the conversation between A and B, or Rama and Shyam. We use after A, we put two dots, one beneath the another. ఒకదాని కింద ఒకటి రెండు చుక్కలు పెడతాం. అలా కాకుండా మనము ఆ డాట్ కింద కామా పెడితే అది సెమీకాలన్ అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి అది వాడకూడదు. We do not use the semicolon, we use colon only. After one person. Another person, after another person, we use same dot, colon. Linkers like sometimes two words, between two sentences, or sometimes we say something, but we do not have a hope. We say, but, yes, I am going to Hyderabad, but this is the restriction period. Now, we say sometimes, somehow, anyhow, likewise. Likewise, these grammar tips or grammar items will also come in the conversation. If grammar points cannot cover in the conversation is not beautiful. If conversation is beautiful, you will get good marks. If grammar points will cover in the conversation, surely you will get 10 marks out of 10. Next one is topic. Next stage is topic. Topic is also known as actual conversation. This is actual conversation. Actually, this conversation has context. In the examination, what context is given. You will think and get ideas. You will form ideas in your mind. That is the actual expressions. So this is the second. First one is introduction, okay. Among the three, grammar points will be covered. Second stage topic, actual context, conversation. This means context, actual context comes to this part. Contains dialogues. In the conversation, expressing dialogues, actually. A expresses a few dialogues. B receives and expresses again. Likewise, it is going like a flow of water, flow of a river. So generally, dialogue should be in the 12 to 14 exchanges in the conversation. A expresses 12 exchanges. B expresses 12 exchanges. That means 24 exchanges are there. 24 exchanges or 26, whatever it may be. 2 or more will come, no problem. Or 1 will be less, no problem. So 24 exchanges, that means 2 pages will be covered. So why? Because it's a major discourse, you know, that is. Proper sequence of exchanges. One exchange after one exchange, proper sequence is there. ఒక క్రమ పద్ధతిలో ఉండాలండి ఎక్స్చేంజెస్. అలా కాకుండా ఇష్టం వచ్చినట్టు ఉంటే అది కన్వర్జేషన్ బ్యూటిఫుల్గా కాదు. Proper maintain the proper sequence. One by one. One after one. One idea express. Then other idea link to it. likewise it is going. Dialogues must be in purpose related to context. Definitely, suppose for the examination point of view, you read thoroughly the question, what the context is there, what is given in the question. So the same things, you get ideas, you read it and get ideas. Those ideas are present on your answer sheet. That means a purposeful related to context. ఒక మనం ఇచ్చినటువంటి టాపిక్ రిలేటెడ్ అయి ఉండి అది కాంటెక్స్ట్ రిలేటెడ్ ఒక పర్పస్ ఉద్దేశపూర్వకంగా ఉండాలి. డైలాగ్ షుడ్ బి ఫ్లో లైక్ వాటర్ ఫ్లో లైక్. Punctuation marks in correct manner. Okay, short break. We shall come back.
మహబూబ్నగర్ జిల్లాలో ఎక్కడ లేనటువంటి విధంగా మీ చిన్నారులకు కావాల్సిన అన్ని రకాలైన వివిధ బ్రాండెడ్ సైకిల్స్ ను మీకు అందుబాటులోకి తీసుకొచ్చింది. మీ చిన్నారులు నచ్చే మెచ్చే అతి కొత్త ట్రై సైకిల్స్, బైసైకిల్స్, గేర్ సైకిల్స్, రూఫ్ సైకిల్స్ ఇలా ఎన్నో నూతన మోడల్స్ తో కూడిన బ్రాండెడ్ సైకిల్స్ మా వద్ద లభించును. మా 36 సైకిల్ స్టోర్ లో స్పోర్ట్స్ సంబంధించిన అన్ని ఐటమ్స్ మా వద్ద లభించును. మరియు హెల్మెట్స్ మా ప్రత్యేకతలు. మా అడ్రస్ 36 సైకిల్ స్టోర్, ఆపోజిట్ శ్రీనివాస్ కాలనీ, పెట్రోల్ బంక్, మహబూబ్ నగర్. మీరు సంప్రదించవలసిన మా ఫోన్ నెంబర్లు 9618446655. మీ కార్లకు బుల్లెట్, రాయల్ ఎన్ఫీల్డ్ కి సంబంధించిన యాక్సెసరీస్ కోసం వెతికి విసిగిపోయారా? అయితే మా ఈశ్వర్ కార్ డెకర్స్ లో కార్స్ మరియు మీ బుల్లెట్ వాహనాలకు సంబంధించిన అన్ని రకాల యాక్సెసరీస్ మా దగ్గర లభించును. కార్స్ కి సంబంధించిన సీట్ కవర్స్, ఫుల్ మ్యాటింగ్, మ్యూజిక్ సిస్టమ్, సెంటర్ లాకింగ్, సీట్ కవర్స్, పర్ఫ్యూమ్స్, రివర్స్ కెమెరా, అలై వీల్స్, ఊఫర్స్ ఇలా అన్ని రకాలైన యాక్సెసరీస్ మా వద్ద అందుబాటులో ఉన్నాయి. బుల్లెట్ కి సంబంధించిన సైలెన్సర్, సీట్ కవర్, హార్న్స్, అలై వీల్స్, జాకెట్స్, వివిధ రకాల యాక్సెసరీస్ మా దగ్గర దొరుకును. వివిధ కంపెనీలకు చెందిన హెల్మెట్స్ మా ప్రత్యేకత. రండి, మా ఈశ్వర్ కార్ డెకర్స్ లో మీకు కావాల్సిన యాక్సెసరీస్ ను కొనుగోలు చేసి మీ కార్స్ మరియు బుల్లెట్స్ ను అధునాతనంగా నూతనంగా తీర్చిదిద్దుకోండి. మా అడ్రస్ ఈశ్వర్ కార్ డెకర్స్, బిసైడ్ పెట్రోల్ బంక్, శ్రీనివాస్ కాలనీ, మహబూబ్ నగర్. మీరు సంప్రదించవలసిన మా ఫోన్ నెంబర్లు 9618446655.
Welcome to come back again this class. Punctuation marks in correct manner. That means suppose you take exclamation mark, that should be mentioned the words oh, hooray. After these words you use the correct punctuation exclamation mark. Inverted commas, sometimes there is a quotation, use the inverted commas. Likewise, punctuation marks in correct manner. Conversation should be in worthy. Definitely the conversation is a valuable thing. It should be worthy. It will be useful for other purposes. The others will follow. Follow the social norms in the conversation. The social norms means ఒక్కొక్కసారి సంఘపరమైనటువంటి కూడా మనకు ఇన్కల్కేట్ అయి ఉంటాయి. వాటిని కూడా మనం చక్కగా ఉపయోగించుకోవచ్చు. అప్రోప్రియేట్ కోహెసివ్ డివైసెస్ మీన్స్ కంటిన్యూవేషన్. ఇట్స్ ఏ కన్వర్జేషన్, ఇట్స్ ఏ మషైన్. కంటిన్యూయింగ్ machine will be running. Likewise, the conversation will go like a machine. Voice modulation in the conversation, voice is also very, very important, and its modulation. స్తుతి కలపడం అంటారు చూడండి. ఒకరి తర్వాత ఒకరు ఆ ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేసిన అటువంటి వ్యక్తికి ఎంబడే ఇంకొకరు మళ్ళీ మనము కలపడం. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ modulation. In case of drama script, we use scene, act 1, 2, 3, 4, act 1, act 2, act 3, and places, characters, locations, etc. will be used in the dramatic script. But these things cannot come in conversation. Conversation lo drama script lo vachinatuvanti amshalu evi kuda rayakudadu. Conversation itla flow potundale. డ్రామా స్క్రిప్ట్లో మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, సీన్, యాక్ట్ 1, యాక్ట్ 2, యాక్ట్ 3 అంటాం. లొకేషన్ ఎక్కడుంది రాస్తాం, ఆ యొక్క మూమెంట్స్ రాస్తాం. సైకాలజికల్ ఫీలింగ్స్ షుడ్ బీ దేర్ ఇన్ ద dramatical script. But in case of conversation, we should not use all those things. Next, third one, leave taking. It's a very, very important one, leave taking also. Deport each other. After closing of conversation, the deporting each other. Among also, sometimes 3 persons are also participating in a conversation. So, deport each other or among 3 or more. Next, at the time of leave taking, we use leave taking means closing. మనం కన్వర్జేషన్ క్లోజ్ చేసే ముందు మనం కొన్ని ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేస్తాం. ఫస్ట్ ఎట్లా గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేసామో లీవ్ టేకింగ్ అప్పుడు కూడా మనం కొన్ని అంటే ముగించే ముందు కొన్ని వాడతాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్, యు ఆర్ వెల్కమ్. సపోజ్ ద కన్వర్జేషన్ బిట్వీన్ ఏ మాస్టర్ అండ్ స్టూడెంట్, ద మాస్టర్ will express, I think you will follow my advice, or a father can express words to his son, I think you will follow my advice, follow my suggestions. Definitely others, in case of master, the student, in case of father, the son will react, sure sir, sure madam. Meet again, sure master, or sure daddy. Likewise, these are all the stages of conversation. So among 3, we have the 3 stages we have discussed here. I have taken one example for the examination point of purpose. In the examination point of view, in the first paper, he gives a question. That question consists a context. Through the context, we should prepare a conversation. He gives A and B, conversation between A and B, conversation between Shama and Mohan, conversation between master and student. Here I have taken Narayana Murthy. Narayana Murthy passed IIT entrance test. This is the question, comes in the first paper. And informed to his father. The father rejected to his appeal to study in IIT. Narayana Murthy passed IIT examination. He informed to his father. Father rejected to his appeal to study in IIT. Due to his financial problems, father rejected his appeal. To be stayed in Mysore. మైసూర్లో ఉండి చదువుకోవాలి, నీకు ఐఐటి చదివించేట స్తోమత నాకు లేదు నా ఫైనాన్షియల్ పొజిషన్ వల్ల అని చెప్పి తన కుమారుడైనటువంటి మూర్తికి చెప్తాడు. అప్పుడు దాని మీద అంటే రైట్ ఏ కన్వర్జేషన్ బిట్వీన్ మూర్తి అండ్ హిస్ ఫాదర్. ఫస్ట్ నారాయణమూర్తి, we say sometimes Narayanamurthy, again and again, just you take Murthy. First time you take Narayanamurthy. Suppose KGN Murthy. First time you take KGN Murthy. Afterwards you next, second, third exchanges you use only simply Murthy, but not M, but not F. Do not use M, F. Suppose he gives A and B, okay, you can write. But he gives full name. First time you write the full name. Second time, third time, fourth time you write simple Murthy and father. Murthy, Narayanamurthy says, he expresses, good morning dad. Generally father express in his view, good morning my son. Murthy, how are you dad? How are you dad? Father says, I am fine. Today you are looking very happy. What's the matter? What's the matter? This part is called introduction part. Just now I have told you the introduction part. Greeting part. This is the greeting part. We should write the greeting part likewise. Definitely here 3 or 4 exchanges, 3 or 4 dialogues are covered here. Murthy, Dad, here is a good news. Here is a good news. Father says, oh, what a good news. Here it is exclamation mark. That means exclamatory sentence is also covered. Grammatical point is also covered. Question mark, here it is. That means interrogative sentence is also covered. So that is why grammar points, we should thoroughly think about the grammar points. Mention the grammar tips, grammar points. Surely you will get 10 marks. Murthy, Nana, I have passed the entrance exam for IIT. Nana is in the traditional Indian English. Nana, I have passed the entrance exam for IIT. Okay. So what? Father says, well done, my boy. Well done, my boy. Murthy, I want to join IIT. I want to join IIT. It's my aim, Dad. It's my aim. Generally, IIT, getting a seat in IIT is a difficult task. But in those days, no tutorials were known. But Murthy, for his own efforts, he got a seat in IIT. So, I want to join IIT. It's my aim, Dad, he expresses. Father, you can't join IIT. You can't join IIT. Murthy, but why, Dad? Why, Dad? Father says, my son, the dialogues will come in the sequence manner, one after one. It flows like a river. ఒకదాని తర్వాత ఒకటి రావాలి. ఒక డైలాగు ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ అయిన ఎంబడే ఇంకొక డైలాగు మనం రాయాలి. Father says, my son, I know you are an intelligent boy. Yes, you are an intelligent boy. I know. You are a bright student. Really, you are a bright student. You are a bright boy. But you also know our financial position. ఆర్థిక స్థితిగతులు కూడా చూడాలి కదా. But here is a but, you know. But sometimes, how? Likewise, we use the words. I have 5 daughters to be married off. I have 5 daughters to be married off. In this conversation, father expresses his problems also in this dialogue. Father kunnatuvanti బాధలు కూడా చక్కగా నిదానంగా ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేస్తున్నాడు. And 3 sons to educate. 3 sons to educate. ఇంకా ముగ్గురు చదవవలసినటువంటి వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు కుమారులు. I have responsibilities. I have responsibilities. I count your expenses at IIT. I count your can't. Here is a word, can't. I count your expenses at IIT. Murthy, why can't you? Why can't you? Father, you know that I am a salarized person. That means employee. Depends on salary only. I haven't any other assets. I haven't any other assets. Here, can't and haven't, these are all contractions. Contractions, grammar tip contractions is also covered here. So we can cover everything according to the stages, as per the stages. I haven't any other assets. నాకు ఇంకా ఎలాంటి ఆర్థికపరమైనటువంటి ఆస్తులు లేవు. Murthy, Dad, why can't you sell our house? Why can't you sell our house? Father, if we sell this house, where can we live? If we sell this house, where can we live? ఇల్లు అమ్మితే మనకు ఎక్కడ ఉండాలి, ఎక్కడ నివసించాలి? Murthy expresses immediately, can you borrow money from your friend or money lender, Dad? ఇదంతా కూడా టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లో లేదు. బట్ ఫర్ ఇమాజినేషన్ ఓన్లీ వీ కెన్ ఇమాజిన్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. In the question, we read the question, what context is there? What content is asking? Then you can frame the dialogues in your mind and put on your answer script. Can you borrow money from your friend or money lender? Appichevalu money lender ante. Dad అని చెప్పి అడిగాడు. Father, no one will give us any kind of loan. No one will give us any kind of loan. As don't have any surety. Surety is important thing for loan taking, a person to person or from the money lenders. It's a difficult thing, surety. That is why father rejects. Murthy says, then think about banks. Think about the banks. ఇంకా మిగిలింది banks. Banks are giving loans on less interest rates. Father, but how can we pay it back? Father immediately express చేశారు. How can we pay it back? ఎలా మనం చెల్లించాలి బ్యాంక్? So the dialogues should come one after one. Murthy, I will clear off the loans after I get the job. After I will get the job, I will clear off the loan amount, etc. Father, what about the interest? We have to pay interest. We have to pay interest till you are joining the job. నీ జాబులో చేరిన తర్వాత నువ్వు కడితే అప్పటి వరకు నేను ఇంట్రెస్ట్ కట్టాలి. కానీ but I am unable to even to pay interest. I am unable to even pay the interest. నేను ఇంట్రెస్ట్ చెల్లించే స్థితిలో లేను. I am really sorry for saying, no చెప్పడానికి నాకు ఎంతో బాధ అవుతుంది. But I am saying, no my son, you can stay in Mysore and study as much as you want. You can stay in Mysore, you can join in any course as you like, but not IIT. Murthy, okay dad, I have understood the situations and problems. Father expresses thank you. So in this conversation we have to complete 3 stages: introduction and actual context in the topic. Next one, leave taking also, and grammar points also covered, tenses covered, and contractions, discourse marks also covered, proper sequence of expressions of dialogues. After all the things, we have used the leave taking also. This is the conversation. So likewise you can write in the examination, you put all these expressions, what you get the ideas in your mind by giving the topic in the question. You put all the expressions, all the dialogues likewise in your answer sheet, definitely will get 10 by 10 or at least 9.5 marks. Thank you for this channel, and we shall meet again in the next class. So again we use the marks. So I shall go out this class, I shall use the marks and use the sanitizer. Thank you very much.